So as discussed in class, we want to go ahead and fill out the rest of this function table by taking our inputs, which are our x values, to determine what our outputs are, which are our y values or our f of x. X can be interchanged with y. So this is how you do it. You take the x values when f is -2, and you plug it into the equation. When f of x is -2, when x is -2, what is my f of x? So 4 times 2 times -2 is -4 plus 4. -4 plus 4 is 0. So when f of x is -2, when x is -2, my f of x is 0. Let's try it when x is -1. -2 plus 4 is -2. So it's +2. When x is -1, my f of x is +2. When x is 1, maybe 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. My f of x is 6. And when x is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So when x is 8, my f of x is 8. And finally, when x is 5, replace the x with 5. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. When x is 5, my f of x is 14. So I go ahead and I place those numbers into the table. And that's what I have. Let's take a look at another example. Number 4. F of x is equal to 2x to the 3rd power. And my values for x are -2, -1, 1, 2, and 3. Let's go ahead and put in that first x value. When x is -2, what is my f of x? Well, order of operations says do your exponents first. -2 times -2 times -2. -2 times -2 is a +4, and then +4 times -2 is a -8. 2 times -8, remember, a positive times a negative is a negative, is -16. Well, what happens when f of x, when x is equal to 1? X is equal to 1, -1 times -1 is +1 times -1 is -1. 2 times -1 is -2. When x is 1, 1 to the 3rd power is 1. So f of x is 2. When x is 2, what is my f of x? 2 to the 3rd power is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And then times that third, 2 is 8. And 2 times 8 is a +16. And finally, when f of x is equal to 3, that just means replace the x with 3. And remember, order of operations says do your exponents first. 3 to the 3rd power, 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. And then 2 times 27 is 50. 54. So when x is -2, my f of x is -16. When x was -1, my f of x was -2. When x was 1, my f of x was 2. When x was 2, my f of x was 16. And when x was 3, my f of x is 54. I really hope this helps.